In this video, we will show you how to crop a screenshot on your phone quickly and easily. Cropping a screenshot helps you remove unwanted parts of the image and focus only on the important area. After taking a screenshot, a preview will usually appear at the bottom or on the screen. The first method is to crop the screenshot immediately after capturing it. When the screenshot preview appears, tap on Edit or the pencil icon. You will see crop handles around the image. Drag the edges or corners to select only the part you want to keep. Then tap Save or Done. This method is fast and works on most Android and iPhone devices. The second method is to crop a screenshot later using the Gallery or Photos app. Open your Gallery or Photos app and find the screenshot you want to crop. Tap on the image to open it, then tap Edit or the crop icon. Adjust the crop frame by dragging the sides until only the desired area remains visible. Then tap Save to apply the changes. Your screenshot will now be cropped and ready to share. And that's how you can crop a screenshot on your phone using both methods. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more simple phone and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.